So guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's been a while. Trust me, I missed you guys so much. But the reason why I was absent from posting on my channel, I had some problem with my phone, so yes, I could not post. But not to worry, I'm here and I have a new phone, better picture quality, yeah, better video quality and all these nice things. Yes guys, before I get into this video, I would like to take the time out guys to really express my appreciation, even though I am not posting like how I'm supposed to. But I must say, through my ups and downs with this channel, you guys have never left me, you guys have never unsubscribed, and for that I'm really grateful. I just want to tell you once more that I am really appreciative of you guys, and yes, continue to support me. Yes, and in time to come I will be having some giveaways and so forth. In this makeup tutorial we are just going to do a simple look, so if you are interested in seeing what the result will be, please stick around. Wait guys, before I get into this video, we're going to have a chocolate biscuit. And yeah, drink a soda. Yeah, we'll get into it guys. So guys, the first step when doing your makeup, you're going to need a face primer. Unfortunately, I had this for quite some time, so the writing on this product has been faded or has faded, but it is a face primer. Right, you're then going to gently apply to all the areas on your face like this. Thanks again to my good friend Kurt, yes, for my birthday present. I really do appreciate them. So I'm evenly distributing the primer on my face, as you can see. See Danny? Behave yourself. Rude. I am going to use my black Opal pencil to outline and fill my brows, and also my spoolie brush. Next step you're going to do is to fill your brows. So guys, why this is important why is it important for us to use a spoolie brush, right? It helps to remove any rough patches within the eyebrow that may leave off the pencil while filling your brows, and it also can be used to blend out the starting point of the brow for it not to look artificial. You understand? For it to look more natural, gives a natural and flawless look. Because you know we don't want any boxy brows. So look at how these look natural and well faded. Moving on, we are going to now clean the brows by using our Pro concealer in the shade GC984 Toffee. Not sure if you're seeing it properly, but that is the shade that we are using. So I'm gently adding some of the concealer to the brush, a small amount, so that it is easy to blend after cleaning the brow. We're going to do the same thing for the other brow. Adding some more concealer. And guys, when you are doing your eyebrows, right, you can take as much time as you want, because when doing your face, if your eyebrow is faulty, trust me, it affects the entire look. So the first thing you should focus on and ensure that it is neatly done is your brows. Look at that. Just look at that, guys. Yes. So guys, moving on to my lids, I'm going to use this dark blue eyeshadow for my transition color on my lids. Then I'm going to use these two colors on my cut crease area. adding some more dark blue to deepen the crease area. I'm going to use yellow eyeshadow on top of this to blend the edges. So I'm just adding the yellow eyeshadow just above the dark blue to blend the edges. I'm going back in with the brush I used for the dark blue to kind of brighten it up some more. So guys, as you can see, I use a bright blue eyeshadow to outline my crease area. No, for my transition color, if I'm correct. And I'm also using a yellow eyeshadow to blend out the edge of the blue eyeshadow. You understand? And remember, when you're using more than one color on your eyelids, you should not, or someone else should not be able to detect where each color stops or begin. They should be neatly blend in with each other, fade in with each other. So let me fade this some more, guys. And you do so by patting. When adding colors, you do so by patting. Moving on, I'm going to cut my crease using another shade of LA Girls Pro Concealer in the shade GC969 in Porcelain. And I'm also using an angle brush to do so. Right, this is a finish. This requires patience. So guys, I'm going to use the yellow eyeshadow on my crease area. Zidane! Go sit down! No!
I'm turn over.
Let me see my traffic turn over. Daddy, you're a hero. Daddy, a female hero. A dirty mad when I used to play dirt.
Nemo.
Guys, we are blending out the edge. As I suggested earlier, you should not detect where one color begins and end, sorry. You couldn't correct me. Begins and end. Both colors should be properly blended or fade in to each other. Just not even have no megabyte. Just sitting there in a bag. Upload it. Oh wait, look. I need to finish. So guys, I'm going to draw my wing. Alright. Are you alone? So guys, as you can see, I did my eyelid. I drew my wing liner. Moving on, I'm going to use my, can you see? My Mint Effect Collection lashes. Yep. Do you guys like what you're seeing so far? Yes, you can just leave it down in the comment section below. Yes, what you think about my video. Has it been helpful to you? You learning something? Are you going to try something? Yeah, just let me know down in the comment section, guys. So this is what it looks like after removing the box. For this video, I'm just going to use my ear glue to add my lashes because I don't see any lash glue with these lashes, so I'm going to use my ear glue. This is the glue that I'll be using on my lashes. Yes, you can use hair glue. Yep. Alright. Are you alone? So guys, as you can see, I did my eyelid. I drew my wing liner. Moving on, I'm going to use my, can you see, my Mint Effect collection lashes. Yep. Do you guys like what you're seeing so far? Yes, you can just leave it down in the comment section below. Yes, what you think about my video. Has it been helpful to you? You learning something? Are you going to try something? Yeah, just let me know down in the comment section, guys. So this is what it looks like after removing the box. For this video, I'm just going to use my ear glue to add my lashes, because I don't see any lash glue with these lashes, so I'm going to use my ear glue. This is the glue that I'll be using on my lashes. Yes, you can. So guys, I'm going to move on to my highlighting and the contouring. Yes, and I'm going to use my LA Girls Pro.concealer Espresso LA Girls Concealer in the shade GC985 Espresso. So to blend out my concealer, I'm going to use a beauty blender that is damp. And you do so by patting. For my highlighting, I'm going to use a LA Girls Pro concealer in the shade Toffee GC984. I'm going to use another beauty blender to blend in my highlighter, and this too should be damp. When you see shark, I'm going to add some more concealer on beneath the eye for it to give it a more popping look, a more flawless look at the end. This is what I normally do, so you can try it too, guys. See that compared to this one? For my contouring, I'm going to use a LA Girls Pro concealer in the shade GC989 Mahogany. Look at transformation, guys. Onto the lips, I'm going to use my black opal pencil to outline my lip. I'm going to use this nude color from my palette. So guys, this is the end of this makeup tutorial. If you are loving this look, please go ahead and like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel, where after subscribing you can hit that notification bell so that you can be updated on when I upload a new content on my channel. Until next time guys, walk good, bye.